Good evening to everyone. I'm Kala, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Karpagam College of Engineering, Coimbatore. So, in today's session, we'll see about the basic introduction about data communication and computer networks. So, the topics to be discussed in this session is introduction to networks, data communication, and what are the components of networks in order to perform data communication, then the characteristics of networks, and how the data flow occur during the data communication. So, the importance of networks. So, starting of the day to the end of the day, everyone we need of internet for doing our work in terms of sharing any information through the network. This internet is nothing but it's a vast network that connects computers all over the world. So by this we can able to understand the importance of computer networks in our daily life. The communication and sharing is nothing but the networks. The network in a simple term, it can be defined as the network is nothing but it's a communication used for sharing the resources from one system to another system or from one node to another node over the world. So the importance of networks. It provides best way of business communication, streamlined communication, cost-effective resource sharing, improving storage efficiency and volume, cost cuts in on software and hardware, and it utilizes a centralized database. It increases in efficiency, optimize convenience and flexibility. It allows file sharing and sharing of peripherals and internet access. We'll see what is data and what is communication. So communication is nothing but the communication that happens at a distance. Data is nothing but it refers to the information that can be presented in whatever form is agreed upon the parties, those who are creating the data to be transmitted, and those who are the parties who are going to receive the data from the sender. Data communication are nothing but it's the exchange of data between two devices through some form of transmission medium. This transmission medium can be a wired medium or wireless medium. Now we'll see what are the components of networks. We have five components of networks. One is sender, second one is receiver, and third one is the physical medium, and fourth one is the message, and fifth one is the protocol. The sender is nothing but the node which you are going to send from some kind of information, and receiver is nothing but the node which you are going to receive from the sender, and medium is nothing but through which how the data will be transmitted from sender to receiver, and message is nothing but the data in the form of any form that can be transmitted from sender to receiver. So the protocol is nothing but it's a party that it will create a rule. By using that rule, by agreeing upon the rule, the sender will send the data, and by agreeing the rule at the receiver side by the protocol, it will receive the data. So protocol is nothing but it's used for creating a number of rules that will be agreed by the party who is going to send the data. Similarly, that rule will be given to the receiver through the protocol that will able to agree in order to receive the data from the sender. What are the characteristics of networks? The effectiveness of a data communication systems depends on four fundamental characteristics. They are delivery, accuracy, timeliness, and jitter. Delivery is nothing but the system must deliver the data to the correct destination. The data must be received by the intended device or the user, and only by that device or user. So the data which is received by the correct receiver, so that will be measured by the delivery characteristics. The next one is nothing but the accuracy. Accuracy is nothing but the data must deliver, the system must deliver the data accurately. Data that have been altered during the transmission and left uncorrected will be the unstable mode of data communication. So in that case, the accuracy will be low. Timeliness. Timeliness. The system must deliver data in a timely manner. The data whichever delivering late or waste are useless. So in the case of audio or video transmission, the timely delivery means delivering the data as they are produced from the center. In the same order they have that they have produced and without any significant delay. This kind of delivery is said to be real-time transmission. Then finally the jitter. Jitter refers to the variation in the packet arrival time. It is an uneven delay in the delivery of audio or video packets. So for example, you are sending the data of video packets in some microsecond time, and if some delay has been occurred and the time has been increased, then the uneven quality in the video will be the result that has been delivered at the receiver side. So these variations will be measured by the parameter is nothing but the jitter. Next we'll see about the data flow. How the data flow occurs between the nodes, that is in a network. So we have three types of data flow techniques. One is simplex, half duplex and full duplex. So simplex is nothing but the mode of direction of data communication will be a unidirectional mode, whereas half duplex is nothing but you have a number of devices. The data communication will be in a unidirectional, in a bidirectional mode of data communication, but the data which you are sending from one node to another node will be at a different time. That is, the bidirectional mode of data communication happen at the different mode. For example, if a station A sends a data from A to B, once the B has been received, after that the B will send the data to A. That does not happen at the same time. That is said to be half duplex. Third one is nothing but the full duplex. Full duplex is nothing but it's a bidirectional mode of data communication, and it will be communicated in all time, that is at the same time. Between the nodes, the data can be transmitted at the same time in a bidirectional mode of communication. So that is said to be the full duplex. Next we'll see about how the data can be represented. The data can be represented either in the form of text or numbers or images or audios or videos. So with this we'll end with the session, and the upcoming session will be talking about what are the different types of networks, what are the different topologies. Thank you.